welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, do consider subscribing because I make videos on lifestyle, fashion, travel, beauty, food, blogs and pretty much everything that I do. So subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon and follow me on Instagram. In today's video, I'm going to tell you all my skincare routine. So these are the things that I have been doing from a long time right now. I'm going to tell you the products and all the home remedies that I use for my skin on a regular basis. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So talking from the time the day starts, as soon as I wake up, the first thing that I do is I drink a warm glass of water. And the second thing I do, which I started recently from a month, is I've started using ice cube on my face as soon as I wake up. So after I drink the warm glass of water, massage my face with an ice cube. But there's a new pimple, it comes early in the morning. Like when you wake up, you have a pimple. That's how pimples usually come. So when I use this ice cube on my face, it really calms down all the pimples that are going to come, or the ones that I already have. It reduces the redness and it did make my skin very smooth, and it reduced the pimple marks as well. If you're somebody who has a lot of redness in their skin, if you have active acne, you can definitely give a try to the ice cubes. First thing that you do after taking a bath is use a moisturizer. So this is the moisturizer that I use, the Body Shop Drops of Light. I've been using this from 3 months and it has been great. I have not tried any of Body Shop's moisturizer before this. I've only used the body's moisturizer. I've not used anything for my face. So this is the one which you can use on your face. It is slightly on an expensive range, but then it's really worth it. It makes your skin really tight. It reduces the lines and everything. This is a moisturizer that you should try, but use this as soon as you've taken a bath when your skin is little wet. So that really helps. It does stay long as well, but yeah, it's little sticky, not for the summer climate, but yeah, you can still use it. Next moisturizer that I use for my body is the Body Shop Strawberry Softening Gel Lotion. So this is a really good moisturizer. I've been again using this from 2 months. I bought the Drops of Light first and then I got this. I have used Body Shop scrubs before, but this is the first moisturizer that I've tried from Body Shop and it's amazing. It works really good on your skin. It reduces the lines and again, very smoothing. It's little sticky for the summer climate, but it still serves the purpose, so it's really good. The one thing that you have to make sure is you're not supposed to use this on your face. I don't know why. It is written on this that this is not for your face, it's only for your body. So I don't know what's the difference, but yeah, I use this for my body, add one for my face. If you're somebody with a sensitive skin, you know how important a serum is. So I use the Body Shop Tea Tree serum. So I have used the Body Shop Tea Tree face wash before. Everybody who uses Body Shop products know how amazing the Tea Tree collection is. I've started using the serum before. I am almost done, like there's hardly anything left. Because of the lockdown, I'm not able to go out and buy one more again. That's why I'm using this very carefully. If there was no lockdown, I use this actually like twice a day, but because I don't want to finish this before the lockdown is over, so I'm just using it like once in 3 days. It is so good. Like you can see the change in your skin like as soon as you apply this. It makes it so smooth, reduces the redness. You should give it a try to the serum. Some people mix it with some other oil and use it, but I directly use it as soon as I have my moisturizer, the Drops of Light. I use the tea tree. The thing that I have is the scrub that I have been using from really long. This is the Bath & Body Works Warm Vanilla Sugar Bathing Scrub. This one has sugar in it and it smells like vanilla. It's so good. This is my favorite one. I have again almost finished this. I need to get a new one, but this is my so far the favorite scrub. So when you scrub it, you have sugar particles and it literally melts in your skin. It's so good. As you keep scrubbing it, the sugar melts and it gives such nice smell and texture even after you wash it. The fragrance actually stays for like 4-5 hours. It's so good. If you want to harm your skin using any scrubs, this scrub is a very nice one if you have a sensitive skin. It's almost like using ghar ka sugar, so you should give it a try. Now here I have the last thing that I've started using recently from 2 weeks. I've come across this Japanese rice cream that people make at home. You know why Japanese people have such great skin is because they use this rice cream and rice oil and rice water. So this is super easy to make. You just have to boil the rice, make a cream and use it on your skin. I know it sounds little weird when you like hear it for the first time, but when I tried it, made the cream and I applied it on my face and my body. It's so good. I'm also going to make a full video about how I made this and different kind of homemade creams and scrub that you can make with the home ingredients. But this one is, you can just Google Japanese rice cream, you'll get it. I make it like this and I'm storing in this bottle, and I use it before taking bath, and it's so good. Also makes your skin really tight. You do see a change, immediate instant glow and change. So you can definitely give it a try if you're done with all the products that you've bought because of the lockdown. You can definitely make this at home. It hardly takes 15 minutes to make, that's it. So these are all the things that I do for my skin on a regular basis. Do let me know in the comment section below if you have any suggestions or recommendations. If you like this video, do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.